In April 2024, Reuters dropped a bombshell on the automotive world. Tesla had secretly canceled its highly anticipated $25,000 electric vehicle, informally known as the Model 2. This revelation sparked a market storm and an immediate response from Elon Musk, who quickly took to X, formerly Twitter, to deny the report with a simple, "Reuters is lying, again." But the story didn't end there. What really happened behind the scenes at the world's largest electric vehicle manufacturer, and who was telling the truth? The Reuters report, published on April 5, 2024, was based on 3 anonymous sources familiar with the matter and internal company communications. According to these sources, Tesla had decided to abandon its plans for the budget vehicle that investors had hoped would accelerate its transition to a mass-market automaker. Instead, the company was redirecting its efforts toward developing autonomous robo-taxis, using the same compact platform that would have been the foundation for the Model 2. According to 2 of the sources cited by Reuters, the decision to cancel the Model 2 was communicated during a meeting with dozens of employees in late February 2024. One of the sources categorically stated, "Elon's directive is to go all in on robo-taxi." The third source confirmed the cancellation and added that the new plans called for the production of robo-taxis, albeit in much smaller volumes than initially projected for the Model 2. Even more revealing were the internal communications reviewed by Reuters, including a message dated March 1st from an unidentified program manager, discussing the end of the project with the engineering team and advising them not to inform suppliers about the program cancellation. According to the report, a Tesla manager instructed the team that suppliers should stop all further activities related to H422 NV91, referring to the internal code names for the Model 2 project. The market impact was immediate. Tesla shares plunged more than 6% following the Reuters announcement, although they partially recovered after Musk's statement, closing down 3.6% that Friday. Shortly afterward, Musk tweeted, "Tesla Robotaxi unveil 8-8, which boosted shares in after-hours trading. This strategy shift would represent a significant abandonment of a long-standing goal that Musk had articulated multiple times as part of Tesla's mission to create affordable electric cars for the general public. His first master plan from 2006 specifically proposed manufacturing luxury models first and then using the profits to fund a low-cost family car. Musk had consistently assured shareholders and consumers about the introduction of such a vehicle. In January 2024, just months before the controversy, he told investors that Tesla planned to start manufacturing the budget model at its Texas factory in the second half of 2025. At the time, Tesla's entry-level model, the Model 3 sedan, was priced at approximately $39,000 in the U.S., while the now allegedly canceled Model 2 was supposed to cost around $25,000. The timing of this controversy was particularly significant as it occurred amid intense competition from Chinese electric vehicle manufacturers, who were flooding the market with models priced as low as $10,000. The shift toward prioritizing robo-taxis over affordable mass-market vehicles represented a strategic pivot that could significantly impact Tesla's market position and growth trajectory. What made this situation particularly complex was the apparent contradiction between Musk's public statements and the reported internal communications. Franz von Holzhausen, Tesla's chief designer, also cast doubt on the claims made in the report during an event in Los Angeles, telling attendees, "I would just say stay tuned. Don't always believe what you read." Some industry observers noted that the reported strategy shift didn't make complete, logical sense. If the robo-taxis were being developed on the same platform that the Model 2 would have used, it seemed counterintuitive to abandon the Model 2 when the platform development costs were already being incurred. Others in the industry, such as commentators at Electrek, suggested that Tesla 100% needs a cheaper vehicle in order to expand its volumes, and that abandoning such plans would be strategically questionable. Some analysts speculated that Tesla might be prioritizing the robotaxi over the cheaper vehicle, rather than completely abandoning the latter. The controversy highlighted ongoing questions about Tesla's product roadmap, communication strategy, and ability to compete in the increasingly crowded electric vehicle market, particularly as Chinese manufacturers continued to gain ground with affordable offerings. As months passed after Reuters' initial report, the mystery continued. In October 2024, Deepwater analysts Gene Munster and Brian Baker shared their expectations for Tesla's robotaxi event. They predicted that the company would reveal 3 vehicles during the We Robot event: the Model 2, the Cybervan, and the Cybercab or robotaxi. Munster theorized that the Model 2 would be a stripped-down version of the Model 3, suggesting the budget vehicle might still be in the plans. However, in a surprising twist, during Tesla's third-quarter earnings call in October 2024, Elon Musk himself finally confirmed what Reuters had reported 6 months earlier. Musk declared, "I think we've made it very clear that the future is autonomous. I think having a regular $25,000 model is pointless. It would be foolish. It would be completely contrary to what we believe." With this statement, Musk effectively confirmed that plans for the Model 2 had been abandoned, exactly as Reuters had reported in April. The robotaxi would now take on the role of Tesla's small, affordable vehicle, with an estimated price around $30,000, roughly in the same price range as the now-defunct Model 2. This late confirmation raised questions about why Musk had so vehemently denied the Reuters report in April. Some speculated that the decision may have been fluid at the time, with Musk possibly hoping to reverse the cancellation, while others suggested that the denial might have been an attempt to mitigate the negative impact on the company's stock. Tesla's strategy shift comes at a critical time for the company. In 2024, Tesla admitted it was struggling, with overall sales dropping 8% year-over-year, while Chinese rivals like BYD reported record sales. The decision to abandon the Model 2 in favor of the robotaxi represents a significant bet on the future of autonomous driving, a technology that faces substantial technical challenges and regulatory hurdles in many markets. Industry analysts have mixed opinions about this strategy shift. Critics argue that robotaxis are more expensive to develop, take longer to deliver, present enormous technical difficulties, and are currently illegal to sell in most markets due to regulatory barriers. On the other hand, defenders of Musk's vision argue that autonomous driving represents the future of transportation, and that Tesla is positioning itself ahead of the curve. The cancellation of the Model 2 also calls into question Tesla's ambitious expansion plans. The company had set a goal of becoming the world's largest automaker, delivering 20 million vehicles annually by 2030, double the volume that Toyota currently produces each year. Without a truly affordable vehicle in its lineup, achieving that goal seems increasingly challenging. Meanwhile, competition in the budget electric vehicle segment continues to increase. European manufacturers such as Renault and the Volkswagen Group have announced their own affordable EVs priced around $30,000. And Chinese manufacturers continue to dominate the entry-level segment, with models that cost significantly less than any current Tesla offering. The Model 2 saga illustrates the complexities and contradictions that often characterize Tesla and its controversial CEO. The company continues to inspire both fervent devotees and skeptical critics, with each announcement or strategy shift generating intense debate. What is clear, however, is that Musk's vision for Tesla's future is firmly anchored in autonomous driving technology, even if it means abandoning, at least for now, the dream of a truly affordable Tesla for the masses. As the dust settles on this controversy, one thing is certain: Reuters was correct in its April 2024 report. The Model 2 was, in fact, canceled in favor of developing the robo-taxi, exactly as reported. Musk's initial denial, followed by his eventual confirmation 6 months later, raises questions about transparency and communication that will likely continue to hang over the company in the years to come. For investors, consumers, and enthusiasts who were eagerly awaiting an affordable Tesla, the confirmation of the Model 2's cancellation represents a significant disappointment. For Musk and Tesla, it represents a bold bet on the future of autonomous mobility, a bet that may define the company's fate in the coming decades.